Anthropic recently opened the doors to a massive, entirely free catalog of official training courses and certifications for Claude. Inside, you will find 13 distinct courses covering everything from basic chat interactions to enterprise-level server deployments. But treating this catalog as a single, unified curriculum is a mistake. The materials range from a breezy 30-minute overview to a grueling 8-hour technical masterclass. This scatterplot maps the 13-course catalog to reveal the extreme variance in what Anthropic asks of you. The axes track technical prerequisites and raw time commitment. A tight beginner-friendly cluster sits bottom left, while dense outliers demanding 8+ hours sit top right. If you approach these courses chronologically, you will quickly hit an insurmountable wall of asynchronous Python and JSON RPC. Asynchronous Python is a programming style that allows code to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, and JSON RPC is a specific data format used to send commands between systems over a network. The monetary cost of these certificates is zero, but the true price is your time and your cognitive load. Enrolling blindly guarantees frustration. You need a strategic plan. To navigate this catalog, you have to ignore which courses are the most popular and filter entirely by your personal technical baseline. The Anthropic Academy is actually 3 separate, highly specialized tracks masquerading as a single database. This decision tree starts with a foundational question that determines your path. Do you write code? If no, you go straight into the AI fluency track. If yes, your path splits into 2 distinct engineering roles, cloud integrator and tool builder. Accurately diagnosing your profile right now prevents severe boredom if you are an experienced engineer and complete technical overwhelm if you are an absolute beginner. Let's start with the first profile: non-technical professionals, project managers, educators, and students who want practical daily workflows. Your designated track centers on the AI fluency courses. You will not write a single line of code here. Instead, Anthropic focuses on a structured methodology for human-AI interaction called the 4D framework. This diagram breaks down the framework into 4 interconnected pillars: delegation, description, discernment, and diligence. Together, these 4 elements create a systematic approach to safely collaborating with Claude and critically evaluating the outputs you receive. Because this framework is highly adaptable, Anthropic provides specialized 30-minute spin-off modules applying these exact pillars to the specific needs of educators, students, and nonprofit workers. But you should know the limitations. This track offers excellent theoretical grounding, but it completely lacks instruction on how to build or automate multi-step workflows. You aren't taking these courses to build standalone AI applications. The value of the AI fluency track is measured entirely in immediate, everyday productivity gains. Now we shift to the opposite extreme of the catalog, the highly technical, massive time commitment engineering track. The sheer volume of this track is intimidating. It features massive courses clocking in at over 8 hours each, dedicated entirely to deploying Claude on Amazon Bedrock and Google Cloud's Vertex AI. These courses cover advanced back-end concepts, specifically the implementation of retrieval-augmented generation pipelines. Retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG, is an architecture allowing an AI model to securely search external documents to find exact facts before answering a prompt. This architectural flowchart illustrates how the courses teach you to connect Claude to external databases using complex techniques like text chunking and hybrid search. By managing this flow, Claude gains the ability to query proprietary company data securely without exposing sensitive information to the internet. The prerequisites here are strict. Without an active AWS or Google Cloud account and deep Python proficiency, you will not get past the first module. Anthropic designed these specific courses rigorously for enterprise-level deployment. They completely bypass weekend hobbyists. The massive 8-hour investment directly translates into the rare ability to deploy scalable, enterprise-grade AI architectures. That brings us to our final profile, the AI Tool Builder. This track requires a moderate time investment, but demands extreme technical depth. The focus here is on Anthropic's newest developer utilities, Claude Code, and the Model Context Protocol. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is an open standard that lets AI assistants securely connect to your local files and external web services. The Claude Code course yields highly practical outcomes, teaching you how to automate terminal operations and execute GitHub pull request reviews directly from your command line. The MCP courses push further, teaching developers how to build servers from scratch that grant Claude secure access to local file systems. This comparison matrix lines up the marketing hype of building AI agents against the actual technical prerequisites Anthropic requires. There is a severe gap right here. If you attempt the Advanced Topics course without prior experience in asynchronous programming, the material will leave you behind. This track empowers developers to build highly capable, autonomous, agentic tools, but only if they can survive the punishingly steep prerequisites to get there. Do not approach this catalog with a completionist mindset, trying to take all 13 courses sequentially just to collect the digital certificates. Treating the academy like an all-you-can-eat buffet dilutes your learning and guarantees technical fatigue. This graphic lays out the final, optimized learning paths for each of the 3 user profiles. For managers and non-coders, take the Quick Start path. Complete Claude 101 and AI Fluency Foundations. You will gain exactly what you need for a maximum 1.5-hour investment. For back-end engineers, take the Enterprise Dev path. Start with building with the Claude API, then commit to your specific cloud platform course. It's a 10+ hour mastery journey. Finally, for the Agent Architect path, take Agent Skills followed by the 2 MCP courses for a highly technical 3-hour sprint. Anthropic has provided all the blueprints. Your success depends entirely on only pulling the blueprints for the specific house you intend to build.